Well guys, welcome back. Good morning and welcome to the channel. I'm not sure if you guys remember this, but I think it was like, I want to say May, right before the Devil's River trip, I announced that I'd be holding this contest called Conquer My Pond. It was on behalf of Mystery Tackle Box and Catch Co. And essentially it was an opportunity for you guys to come and fish with me and basically go one-on-one for a little challenge. So fast forward to present date, I'm in Illinois with a little nugget here who looks very sad, by the way. Why are you so sad? She's always so sad. Anyway, I'm gonna be going head to head in a fishing challenge with a subscriber that I just met like literally 2 seconds ago. So this is gonna be sick. Unfortunately right now, it is, well, it's raining. Not too hard, thankfully, but once this passes in a few minutes, we'll be able to launch the beautiful white low into that little drink and crank on some fish. I have no idea how the bite's gonna be. I haven't fished here in maybe a year or so. You know, I'm really up on my homework. I am pumped, I am stoked. I hope you guys are looking forward to today's episode just as much as I am. I'll catch you guys when this rain stops and once the boat's in the water. Come on, Nugget. Let's go fishing. Well, I think the rain's officially starting to let up behind me. I've got Trevor and John, and these guys are gonna help me. Or I guess this is kind of a challenge, I suppose.
Yeah.
We even digress like kind of what's going on. So this is kind of a challenge. I was about to say these guys are gonna help me figure out a bite. But matter of fact, we're going against each other. I figured this would be kind of cool, 1 versus 2. So this is the boat. The boat's in the water. Rain's finally let up, thank God. Lucky, get on. Get on the boat.
Ladies first.
Come on. Yeah, ladies first. Wieners first. Come on. Come on. Good girl. So yeah, this is it. We're officially gonna get after. I'm glad the rain just stopped because the bite's gonna be pretty soft. You guys got all your rods,
Yeah,
all your tackle. Anything in the boat's fair game. So if you guys need some stuff,
Yeah, even the boat.
even the boat, you can take it home when you're
Sounds
done.
good.
Yeah.
I'll take the, you got the Pathfinder too?
I'm gonna untie right now and we're just gonna get after it. It's gonna be dope. And we are off. All right, you guys ready? So it's 2v1. We'll just do fish over 18 inches counts as 5 points. Any fish counts as 1 point.
Sounds good.
Deal? All right, cool. Let's start it. Let's go. Ooh. Little duck would be interesting, yeah. There's one. Oh, that was quick. First fish of the day. There we go. There we go. Come here, come here. Oh, not a bad one. We'll take it. First topwater fish of the morning. That fish came on a prototype Googan squad topwater lure. Officially on the board. What do you think, Lucky? What you think? Give him a little kiss. All right, back you go, guy. Nice, I'll take it. Sweet. Yeah, just like a frog. Yeah, I've caught actually a decent amount of fish on it. Pitch under docks. On little grass patches. Some good grass come up here.
I was fishing on like 4 inches of ice. It was really sketchy.
Dodgy.
He caught probably 2.5, 3 pound crappie and like
Damn.
a 5 pound bat. It was an incredible day. You just see 20 feet down.
There he is. That's a good one. Were you guys jigging or what? Oh, is it a smallie or a largie? That's a largie. Ooh, fish number 2. Dude, this is fire. I haven't been here in forever and they're just acting like this is like the hottest day of the year to fish. Good little bass. God, I gotta watch out for the hooks on these dudes. There's tons of hooks on this bait. All right, fish number 2, 2 points. Come on, guys. You just can't let me like take the lead that early. Like, geez, it's barely even like 8 a.m. Woo, that's a good fish. Yeah, you guys got time. You're just gonna get all the 18 inches, huh? Nice fish. We shall take it. Another Googan squad topwater bait. See you, bud. Oh yeah. How's that feel? No, that's a fish. Oh, it's a good one. Oh my God, that's a nice one. I knew there had to be a fish there. Keep fighting him, that's a good one. That is a good fish. You snag? Nope, not snag. Just get him out of that brush. You good, you got this. Not a giant, but a good one for this lake. Oh, come here. Hey, nicely done. Good fish. It's like not that big, but they pull so hard in here, don't they? They go hard, man. There we freaking go, dude. Unreal. It only took, what, like 2 hours on the water to finally get that fish, but so worth it. Oh man, I'm gonna get an up close shot of that. What did you catch that on? Just kind of give me a brief synopsis of what just went down there.
Saw a bunch of crappie on the graph, tossed it down by the graph. Thought it was a big crappie, turned out to be a bass.
So unreal. So basically, it's like one of those situations where like this feels so good when stuff works out. Here we are fishing this bank, no structure, just straight sand, maybe some grass here and there. As I'm going past this little white boat, I'm like, whoa, hold up, hold up. I look over my graph and there is just this huge pile of stick. It stands out like a sore thumb. So I stopped the boat, circled back, we put it on spot lock, we made some casts out here. I took like maybe 15 casts. I'm like, this is ridiculous. There's got to be something on here. We were marking crappie, maybe a few bass mixed in between. John throws in there with the drop shot, slowly working. He's like, yeah, I keep getting hit with these crappie. I'm like, yeah, you might, I mean, you're probably gonna catch one, right? Because like it's a tiny little worm and you know, crappie are pretty ambitious. So all of a sudden, like I'm bringing over a twig and I just hear his drag go and the rod's doubled over. Sure enough, nice bass on that lay down. It feels so good when you find something so specific like that, that's kind of off the bank and there are fish holding to it. So they're being tough today, but hey, that's a good one. Nice job, dude. Back down and lay down. Ding. All right, you're next, dude. Wow, it's been pretty slow. Nothing worse than like taking a couple guys out in the lake and being like, yeah, the bite's really good, and then not catching anything for 2 hours. But that broke the ice right there. Really quality fish. All it took was looking down on the graph a bit and finding that just juicy nug. I mean, that lay down looks so sick on the graph. Now I'm thinking about it, that's 1 point for you guys. So it's 2-1. For a second, it was like kind of a 2-0 blowout, but there's some momentum gaining. I think I'm gonna switch to the drop shot, just follow John's lead here and maybe crank a nice one. It's getting good. Storm front's coming back a little bit and maybe it's got these fish jumping. I dig it. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Yeah, I got him. I got him. There it is. Dude, there's some fish out here. Just a little one. I'll take it though. Hell yeah. Whew. Fish number 3, dude. This is so much fun. It's so cool to find something that's like completely hidden from the naked eye that you can only find on the graph and then catch fish on it. So John struck the first blow on, oh, there's a fish is busted right there. There is a lot of stuff going on. John struck the first blow with that like close to 3-pounder on the drop shot. And then I decided to follow suit, throw a little dragon drop in there, and he cranked it. That is fish number 3, point number 3. Not too bad. I was just mentioning if we don't get one in like 5 casts, then we're gonna bounce, but that's enough to keep us going. See you, dude. Fish? Yeah, that's a fish. Oh, buddy. How big? Not a bad one. Get him in there. Hell yeah. John with the second fish today. It's 2-3 now.
Boy.
My God. Wow. I thought I had this thing like done for after I caught those 2 back to back in the top water. Friggin' doinks. Good fish, man. You on?
Yep.
Oh, good fish. Good fish. Get the net. That's a good one. In the boat. Nicely done, dude. And just like that, it is tied up. Trevor with the first fish of it. A pretty good one too.
Little guy, but enough tied up.
Yeah, nice one, man. Well, I think I got a little too cocky this morning with those 2 topwater fish. It's like, oh, this is easy. I'm gonna put these guys in the dirt. Sure enough, tie game. We are 1 fish away from these guys taking away a dub. What'd you catch it on?
I just got a little stanko.
Stanko.
Flair
What do you caught on the stanko? Let me get one more look at that guy. Quality fish. Nicely done. All right, let's put her back. And she's gone. Wow, I gotta really pick it up here. I'm getting too comfortable on the home waters right now. Okay, so basically what's going on is we're just trying to find any structure. This lake has docks, but it doesn't seem like the fish are under them today. Usually I come out here, just flip jigs on the docks and call it a day, but they're funny. Storm front rolled in, may have pushed some of these fish off the bank, which makes them a little more difficult to catch, but there are some fish that are kind of lingering off the bank. So they're straight chilling. That was right around there on the stick bait. It seems like we're having to fish kind of slow, which is double edged. You know, it's nice to fish slow, but it's looking good. We got a nice stretch of bank coming up, which is good for the drop shot, and we're gonna give this a good old fat dangle and hopefully catch a few more. Yeah, there's some fish and structure. Good stuff. Another one. Dude, what? Are you kidding me? The Senko is just dropping these. Oh my God, okay. Well, I'm not gonna film it, guys, because I gotta focus right now, but yeah. Trevor's in the back with another fish. I'm getting smoked right now, 4-3. That's it, I gotta switch lures.
You ever been up by like Long Lake, Wisconsin?
Mm-hmm.
We used to go there a lot when we were younger. His day.
that is a good one. That is actually a nice fish. Come here. No, we're good. I'm gonna flip him in. Get in here. God, I was waiting for this thing to actually get bit. Ooh, nice one. Oh, right on the camera, sick. About the average size I'm used to getting on here, but like I said, kind of an iffy bite today. That guy came around to the point, ate the lunker log, just destroyed it. Oh, see ya. Sweet. All tied up. This is a close one. Prototype topwater, lunker log, and drag and drop. Those are the 3 heavy hitters for today's bite. We've actually got a decent amount of fish. I think 8 total, right? Because you have 4 and we have 4, or you have 4 and I have 4. We as in me and Lucky, I suppose. So it's definitely been kind of a strange bite. The prototype topwater, interesting bait. Just now trying this out for the first time in Illinois. We've been playing around with this this design for a bit and trying to narrow it down. But as you saw, it obviously cranks fish. Cranked 2 very decent ones right off the bat. And then after that, switched to the drag and drop. And that caught a little one. Then the last fish came on the lunker log, just straight up Texas weedless rig. So kind of an interesting bite today. It's hard to figure out exactly what they're doing. I feel like this lake gets hit pretty hard, although there's no one out here today. Although, I mean, I guess it is, what is today? Today's a Saturday or Sunday. I don't even know what day it is. It's a Sunday, there's no one out here, but I still feel like these fish are really pressured. I got 2 fish today with pretty decent hook marks in their mouth. There's not a whole lot of fish clumped up. They're kind of scattered. They're not as much in the grass as I would have hoped. Haven't caught any frog, nothing on the jig, which is really strange. So we're gonna give this like another hour or so to wrap up this challenge because it is a stalemate. It's a tied game. So we're gonna go back to those laydowns, maybe find a few more new ones and fish slow for a big bite. Just really anticipated a big bite today, but I guess that was a problem. My expectations were up here, and then, you know, we're catching 1s and 2s, which, by the way, is not bad. It's just, I know what this lake can produce. We're gonna give it one last heavy dangle. Lucky's not been too much help today for the bite. She's got, actually, you got a soggy butt. What happened there? How'd you get a soggy butt? Oh, there's one. There he is. Pretty good one. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come here. Yes. Put her on spot lock. That is it, dude. That is a decent little bass. Just cranked the lunker log. Man, they're so mangy in here though. Look at this. This guy's been caught like 50 damn times. I feel bad hooking him. Okay, that's number 5 for me. Not a bad one. Literally first cast back on that laydown. And there's the fish. I think there's some more down there. I just watched you get bit too, so good little sign. Yes, sir. Back she goes. Sorry, guy. Damn, I feel so bad. His mouth looked like salami. No way. You're on. No way. Doesn't matter, it counts. No way. Oh my God, dude. This is...
They're not crappie, they're these.
They're little tiny bass, aren't they? Yeah.
Little tiny bass.
This is insane, man. This is close, dude. Let me see that. No size, no size, it totally counts. Oh my God, unreal. This is like been the best spot. This little freaking pile of brush right here. I cannot believe that. I heard your drag and I was like, oh, come on. Yeah, well, I was like, I just knew it was like a fish. I was like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, there you have it, 5 to 5. This challenge is gonna go on all day. It's gonna be like an all-day challenge, for God's sakes. Lucky, what do you have on your butt? What you got? Look at, bro, it is fully stuck to her tail. What is this? What you got? How'd that happen? Huh? How did that happen? Oh, it's so funny. We're locked down right here fishing this brush pile that I caught that fish on, and I'm like super serious in the zone. Lucky comes up from her little nook, and she comes up with John's drop shot worm just stuck to her tail. Like, it was fully stuck. It wasn't like I had to pull it off. This little dog cracks me up. She's not the luckiest dog. Like, I don't usually smoke them with her on the boat, but she at least gives me a good laugh. Anyway, I gotta focus. I think we're gonna dip on out of this laydown. It was good to me. Caught 1 fish. Unfortunately, John caught 1 as well. So we're gonna find 1 last brush pile, and I think this is gonna be the death match. Whoever catches the first fish at this next spot takes the dub. So that's the only way to solve this because we keep tying. This is heavy. Let's go find 1 more brush pile and crank a toady. Hung up. Oh, let's see. Oh, we're good. Get out of there. Get out of there, yes. Yes, there he is. Oh my gosh. No way, come on, get in the boat, get in the boat. Boom. That was so intense. This right here is the W fish. I honestly thought I was about to get soiled. I think if I was probably in the back of the boat and not taking the first cast to the front, I probably would have gotten beaten just because it is kind of like a lay down spot. But that right there is the 6th and final fish of the challenge. Not too shabby. Hell yes. All right, back in the water she goes. You deserve to be released. You put up a gnarly fight. Oh my God. Well guys, first and foremost, good game. I hope you guys know that I was putting in 110% effort on that one. Like these guys really did put up a nice battle today. Like they've never fished here before. They're not even really from this part of Illinois. So even though the challenge is over, we still have a decent amount of bank left. So it would be fitting to just keep fishing, you know? So we're just gonna finish out. The challenge is over. That was a good little run. I'm shocked I won. That was mega intense. My heart's pounding right now. I got that bite. I was like, don't screw this up, don't screw this up. It's only 12:30-ish, 12:40-ish, so we're gonna fish it out hard and wrap up today's video. That's it. Let's pack her up. It's about to dump again, guys. Like, geez. Just get after it.
I gotta wait for it. I had the best pro on the way back. You got that like $200 swim bait by chance?
Oh yeah, it's just right down there, bud. Hooking you boys up today. Oh, have you tried these yet?
No, what are they?
They're like the little baby bullsheds, yeah. Those are dirty.
These might be money. I love swim baits.
Scoop them. They're yours now. Consider yourself a brand new owner.
I feel like it's Christmas for me.
What do you think? You guys dialed?
Yeah, this is dope.
This is good.
That's awesome.
Boat next year, good man.
Yes, sir. Next time we go fishing, I can bump some gear off you guys.
Yeah, right?
I'm just kidding. Peace out. Take care. We out of here. That was fun, man. I really enjoyed that. 2 absolute legends, great people. First time ever fishing with them. First time ever meeting them, let alone fishing with them. And we caught some good fish today. It is so cool to come back to a lake that I haven't fished in quite some time and that I grew up fishing and basically how I learned how to bass fish, and then share that water with some, you know, some new friends. One thing I have to say is huge thanks to Mr. 𝗥𝗘𝗥𝗘 for setting this up, allowing the opportunity to fish with 2 great guys and kind of organize this little contest. I feel like we should do more stuff like this. I get a kick out of fishing with viewers and subscribers because, you know, you guys are great people and it's fun to just like get out of the bubble and fish with new anglers. That was really neat. Cool dudes, 100%. And they never really fish up here before too. They're mainly from southern or central Illinois, so fishing northern Illinois is a little bit new to them. But that was cool. Very dope. What do you think, Lucky? Did you find that fun or are you just bored and want to eat kibble? I think that's probably gonna be it for today's epi. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I thoroughly hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to Mr. 𝗥𝗘𝗥𝗘. They are a big supporter of this channel. They sponsor today's video and they sponsor a lot of the videos. And they really fuel this passion that has now turned into an occupation, that being filming and fishing for you guys. But I'm peacing out, signing out. I appreciate the view. And as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.